Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me on my channel today where I do all things planners and fountain pens and fountain pen ink related things. Now I will be decorating in my passport planner, which I have been using for the month of August, but I do have to admit that I am batch filming a few things here. So I'm filming this basically the same day that I filmed this plan with me, and it is only August 10th, but I'm filming a few of these just to be able to have these published or scheduled to be published while I am away. So this week, again, I wanted to go into my stash and use some stickers that I haven't used in a long time. And I wouldn't necessarily think of using them in a planner except for functional. But I wanted to go ahead and go back to my Coffee Monsters Go stash. And I've got this washi here. And I apologize, I do not remember what this one is called. But then I also have her ink bottle doodles and fountain pen maintenance emojis. And yes, these will make up some of the decorating that I will be doing here. So firstly, what I'm going to do is draw in my grid layout. But where is my ruler? And for this week, I'm sticking to the 4 and 3 layout where I have 4 days on the right and then 3 days on, 4 days on the left and 3 days on the right, so that it's essentially 4 and 4. And I'm noticing that this particular page in the notebook doesn't line up exactly. That's okay. And I know someone suggested in my planner thoughts video that I could get the Sterling Ink weekly booklet for Passport for the remainder of the year, but I'm okay with actually, crap. Damn it. I am okay with sticking to this theme. See, I missed that. Now, what am I going to do here? I'm going to have to wipe that out. And isn't this why you watch planner videos, is to see the mistakes? Oh boy. And again, in my brain. But what was I saying? Oh yeah. I was basically saying that I wanted to have the freedom to create my own layout, but then along with that freedom also comes the possibility of making mistakes, which I just showed you. But that's okay. It's all part of the process. And this is just a regular gel pen. And then this ruler I purchased from Michael's years and years ago, so I don't think they have it anymore, unfortunately. There we go. So this is also another week that we are away, so there won't be too many plans that will go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there won't be too many plans that go in here because I won't have, a work schedule or anything like that to put in here. But I still want to decorate it, and it also will be a way for me to keep track of the things that we did on certain days. And that's how I use my planner when we're away. Remind myself to stop here. I use my planner as more of a memory keeper while we're away, to just jot down the things that we've done each day. And I'm really liking this layout, the 4 and 3. It allows me a little bit more space each day to write out, I guess, plans or whatever it is. So this, I just want to place here. And this one, I won't rip, but I'll actually use my scissors and cut off a clean strip. It's so satisfying. Then I will use these all around. Also, part of me thinks, like, couldn't I also, Yeah, I think I'll use just a little bit here. And I know some people might think that's a bit too much, but whatever works for you. Oh, my daughter just dropped something upstairs. Did anyone else hear that? Loud noises like that give me such anxiety. Story time, but when I was a baby or when I was younger, anytime something was dropped on the floor like that, it would make me cry. I don't know how much I should be revealing of myself by doing that, but yeah. Okay, just little bits around, and then I can add, for example, maybe I'll be buying ink this week because it is San Francisco Pen Show week. And then I'll add one here. Actually, let's put one here and here. Okay. I know, very simple in terms of decorating, but I think it's cute. All right, so now let's add in the days. Let's zoom in here. And these date dots are from Let's Plan It. Oh, perfect. I will have the perfect amount for the remainder of the week. And then after this, I'll just have to write them in, but that's okay. I'm really enjoying the process of decorating my passport planner. I've had to be creative. I've had to learn a new way of decorating. And it's funny because I feel like I've just found my groove with decorating in the Hobonichi weeks, but then I'm like, no, I need to shake things up and learn a whole new way of decorating my planner. Because why not? All right, then let me see here. Oh, then write in the days of the week. I'm actually going to write it with my Laban 325 in snow, and this has Inkabara Earth in it. So let's do something fun. Monday. In every Plan With Me video, I tell you I have to say the days of the week or else I'm going to screw it up. Tuesday and then Wednesday. Oh, goodness. This one's going to be difficult because that's not going to stay on the whiteout. Thursday. Love that ink color. And then Friday. Saturday. And Sunday. Ooh, I love that. Love that color. Cool. Okay. So then, what do I do next? Oh, yeah. Let's write my workouts here. WORKOUTS. Sorry. Okay. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. One of the things I actually like about this setup so far is the ability to move my page wherever, and I don't feel like I'm, having to move my whole book. I mean, it is the whole book, but you know what I mean. Okay. Now I'm going to find different colors here to go with this particular spread. I think blue would be nice. Okay. Although, I mean, I like the brown. The pink could work. The blue could work. And I think let's do purple. So that will work. But before I do that, I have to double check our itinerary. So the 25th, Prince Rupert. So the 25th, we are in Prince Rupert, BC. and then C day, and then C day. And then my husband and kids go home that day, and then it's a San Francisco pen show, and then I go home on the 31st. Crazy. So I'm actually just going to write that here. SF pen show. SF pen show. I haven't signed up to do any classes or anything like that. I'm still deciding whether I should do any classes, and I really should decide soon. But yeah, I just haven't, I don't know. I'm considering doing Cheryl Ball's bookbinding, but we will see. All right, so let's put this down so I don't smudge anything. Okay, so let's do, actually we'll do that one last. So my habit tracker is going to be here. I'm going to do, this pink one is going to be for, oh, and I've already screwed it up. No, I haven't. I'm going to just keep going like this, and it will sort itself out. So the first one I'm going to make purple, and that's going to be for making sure I take my vitamins. I was never very good about taking vitamins throughout, other parts of my adult life, but I feel like I'm working on it now. The second one, the pink one, is for listening to my audiobook or reading a few pages in my book. I haven't been very good with reading this year. The third one is for my nighttime routine, making sure that I'm washing my face, brushing my teeth, flossing my teeth, because especially on vacation, that kind of falls by the wayside. And then the last one, the blue one, is for no stationery spend. Okay. All right. I know that for this C day, I will have to do laundry and pack everything so that on that day, my husband and kids are fine. I have to check in that day too for them. So I'm going to write here, check in. But then I'm also going to write in here, check in, because I have to check in for my own flight as well. Okay. I don't think there's anything else I need to add to this. I've got my habit trackers. I've got the big events that are happening those days, and then I'll fill in the weather as we go. And then the way that I'm going to use this during the time that we're away is basically keep track of the things that we've done each day, which will help me if I ever do fall behind with journaling while I'm away. Okay, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.